Alright, so today we're going to install a bee package. We had a really sad thing happen with our last one. A bear got to it, so we're taking some precautions this time, and now we're going to have them set up on our deck. So it's inside the deck fencing, up some stairs, and then also inside our backyard fencing. So we're going to see if this works. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to very gently lift out the sugar water. And here next to it you can see this is the queen, so I'm going to kind of keep an eye on her, make sure she doesn't fall out. And the bottom is always the hard part. There we go. So I'm just going to set this upside down because there are bees on top of it. So we're going to begin by taking the queen out, and they've been in with her for a couple days, so they know her smell as being their queen. So I'm just going to shake these guys off. And then over here, I'm going to secure this. And actually, let's get a shot of our girl. So that's the queen.
Okay.
Alright, and we have to take this cork out. I'm going to be very careful and put my finger over it as soon as I take the cork out. That way the queen stays in there. So there she is. And now what I have... You alright?
Yeah.
Now I have 2 marshmallows. And I'm going to put the marshmallows in. And basically what these are the candy that the attendants are going to eat in order to let her out. Alright, so I'm going to put her in. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just push her into one of the frames. So there she is. And then I'm going to take another frame and push that in. And that's not secure enough, so I'm going to bend it over. Like that. That way she's not going anywhere. I think that ought to do it. And now I'm going to spray the girls with some sugar water, that way they're less likely to fly away. There we go. So it's just half sugar, half water. This side. Alright. I got our EpiPens ready just in case. Alright, perfect. So I'm just gonna pick up the box. Sorry, girl. And ideally, the faster the better. Alright, gotten most of them out, so they can do another couple shakes. That way they're all together on one side. And then for these couple remaining, I can just leave it open next to it. And then, because bees will build anywhere where there's extra room, I'm going to put these right back in. You want to get a shot inside? Welcome home, girls. They're so fat right there. Let's see if I can just scoot these ones over. Sorry, ladies. And then it's important to push them together as close as you can without leaving too much room on either end. Alright. And then I'm going to very gently put this on. And I'm going to go inside and get some sugar water, and then we'll cover them up. Alright, so I got some sugar water. This isn't going to be quite enough, but this will be a start. And if you look at the way this works, this part floats, so they're able to stand on that. And then what we're going to do, because we live where it's really hot and dry, is we're going to fill the other one with water. That way they always have water, they always have sugar water. And then I can just put the lid on. And that's it.